Afner with AfnerWords here. I'm back with another Monday mantra. Each week I channel a new mantra based on the collective energy that I'm picking up on, and I write them in first person so you can use them for yourself. If you're new to the channel, I invite you to subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, then welcome back. So I use mantras in my daily practice to help me reprogram my brain and push past limiting beliefs and shift my mindset, achieve goals, and manifest change. So it's a good time to do mantras in the morning, first thing when you wake up, as part of your morning practice, or also right before you go to bed. So this week's mantra is, I forgive myself for my choices that caused me to suffer, and I open to the embrace of the Divine Mother. I forgive myself for my choices that caused me to suffer, and I open to the embrace of the Divine Mother. So, self-forgiveness is actually one of the hardest types of forgiveness. And I think the reason for that is because a lot of times we don't even realize that we are maybe kind of holding a grudge against ourselves, if that's the right way to say it, or maybe more like holding guilt or something of that nature for some choice that you regret, or when you sort of realize, we all go through different phases in life, and sometimes it's really hard to accept the things in life that cause a significant amount of suffering. And at the end of the day, we are the ones manifesting our reality. We are, I'm the only one responsible for my reality, and every single thing that happens in my life, I attracted it to myself. Even the bad things, even the negative experiences that cause suffering, I attracted it to myself. So those are the times that it's really hard to, once you get through it and then you kind of reflect back, it's really hard to forgive yourself for whatever chain of events may have taken place to bring that experience on you. So, but at the highest level of ourselves, our highest self is choosing every experience for the lessons and the growth that is within each experience. So it's about being able to go to that space and appreciate what you may have gained from it, and forgiving yourself for choosing the hard way, basically. So, so that's kind of, where this mantra came from. So here's the mantra one more time. I forgive myself for my choices that caused me to suffer, and I open to the embrace of the Divine Mother. So the Divine Mother, obviously, that's God. That's the divine. That's the source energy. Because the Divine Mother loves you no matter what. She doesn't need to forgive, because she always loves you no matter what you do. So, opening to that embrace brings you to the place of unconditional love. So that helps with forgiveness and helps to, really put yourself in that vibe rather than, the vibe of why did it happen and all that kind of stuff. So thanks for watching, and here, let's do the mantra one more time. I forgive myself for my choices that caused me to suffer, and I open to the embrace of the Divine Mother. So really, feel into that energy this week, because the Divine Mother, the Divine loves you. We are surrounded by divine love. So let's tune into it. If you're watching on YouTube, again, I invite you to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when these videos go up. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. If you're on social media, please leave me a comment or a like, and I will see you next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.